And that's the train railway on the top. And that is container. They use that for some materials. They need that container there. While Stephanie is busy playing, let my phone charge it. Hala, pindot pa more. Hala, pindot. Ba, nakabuka ka saya ho. Perte nga posisyon na. Kung may nagapungko to sa atubang ho, kiyot. Kita straight gid. Straight home. But yeah, you're wearing, I know, you're wearing shorts. Oh my goodness. Minsan, ang sarap ni Cutie, asarin kasi ang reaction niya talagang genuine. Ang daling mainis.
Hindi. Sorry. Tinigipay ako, oy.
Ikaw karon ang maded sa akin. Non-stop yung ano mo dahil sa laro na yan yung mga wordings mo. Oh, lumayo na siya. Nag-change position lang siya, guys. Pero nagpipindot pa rin. Oh, sige, TikTok. Sige, mag-TikTok akyat. Yu. Pati talaga ng ilong ko. Sige, dra ka lang, kyat. Kay i-focus sa imo, dra. Samtang katindog. Alright? Dra lang. Ha? Dra ka lang, ganay.
Yes.
Oh, I can hear some train. Is the train coming? I think so. Oh no. Oh, nawala na yung tao. Katinulong ko. Nawala na yung tao, Cutie. Tao? Tae na lang naiwan. Wala nang taon. Tae na lang naiwan. Pangit pagka kasi. Ayan. Diyan tayo. Wow, may moped.
Moped?
Visible naman yun dyan. Dadaan naman yan sa gilid. Ayan o. Moped, ibig sabihin yung motorbike.
Maybe next time
Maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe next time magbakal ka sa car or something. Moped na lang, okay?
Ha? You want me to buy a car and then
May moped.
I choose the moped? You know what is moped, Stephanie?
You know.
It's motorbike. And then you ask me to buy a car. If I buy car, then I choose the moped.
No, that you gonna
Ang
buy
labo mong
something.
kausap.
Buy moped only.
Para
tayong dalawa po.
I want you to buy car for me.
Ayoko nga.
Not me buying. It's you who should buy the car for me. Yan. Sige, sayaw-sayaw ka lang dyan. Entertain ka dyan sa I can hear the train. Soon. But you are in the silhouette. If you stand there, Cutie, it's better. That side. Turn around. Ayun. Yeah. Diyan ka. Iswag. Hindi ka kitaon. Sige. Na, dara. More. Cutie. More. Ginawang view. Sige ha. Sige, ML. Hala, sige, ML.